The shelf life of nuclear weapons refers to whether nuclear weapons have an expiration date or last forever. Nuclear weapons typically utilize radioactive materials as their explosive components. Each radioactive element undergoes decay with a half-life, wherein half of its quantity transforms into non-radioactive material. In this video, we will discuss the radioactive elements and other components used in nuclear weapons and try to find how long a nuclear bomb is effective. It is a disclaimer that this video is just for educational purposes. It does not promote destructive weapons or show sensitive information. The vast majority of nuclear weapons use either uranium-235 or plutonium-239 as their primary fissile material. The half-life of uranium is about 704 million years, while that of plutonium is 24,100 years. These fissile materials possess a long enough half-life that there is no risk of significant decay. The fissile material at the core of a nuclear bomb maintains its integrity over time, with minimal degradation. As long as it remains preserved and secure, it retains the potential for detonation. The risk of decay arises when dealing with fusion or hydrogen bombs because they also require tritium, an isotope of hydrogen, alongside uranium or plutonium. In a hydrogen bomb, tritium combines with another hydrogen isotope, deuterium, and triggers a fusion reaction. Tritium is the unstable isotope of hydrogen with a very short half-life of only 12.3 years. Due to its radioactive nature and relatively short half-life naturally, tritium levels on Earth are very low compared to other isotopes of hydrogen. As a result, most tritium is artificially produced for use in nuclear reactors and weapons. The tritium production is highly complicated and costly, costing $30,000 per gram. It means that if a country possesses 10 hydrogen bombs in its arsenal and each hydrogen bomb uses 5 kilograms of tritium, it would require $60 million annually just to maintain the amount of radioactive tritium. Non-fissile components such as electronics, seals, and explosives require regular maintenance, replacement, and upgrades over time to ensure their continued operational efficiency. Over time, these components may degrade, potentially compromising the functionality or reliability of the device. Nuclear weapons remain susceptible to theft or unauthorized access. Therefore, stringent security measures and protocols are employed to safeguard against such risks and prevent any misuse of nuclear weapons. Nuclear bombs don't expire, but they need upgrades or decommissioning over time to avoid becoming more vulnerable to theft or accidental detonation. Nuclear weapons are designed for use against enemy nations. Thus, they lose their effectiveness without a robust delivery system capable of penetrating enemy territory. The delivery system must also undergo upgrades over time to account for advancements in enemy defense measures.